In this video, I'll show you how to open a long trade on Bybit step by step. First, log into your Bybit account on the app or website. Make sure you have funds in your derivatives or trading account. If not, deposit or transfer some USDT or another supported asset into the correct trading wallet. Now, go to the trade section and choose the market where you want to go long. For example, BTCUSDT Perpetual. Check that the order type is what you want. Market order if you want to enter immediately at the current price. Limit order if you want to set your own entry price. Next, choose your leverage if you're trading derivatives. Adjust it carefully. Higher leverage means higher risk. Then, in the order box, enter your order size. Before you confirm, set a take profit and stop loss level to manage your risk. Finally, tap or click Open Long or Buy/Long to place the trade. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.